kids! Today I'm going to tell you a magical story about the day laughter turned lessons. It's all about kindness, laughter, and learning. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Once upon a time in a colorful town called Giggleville, everyone loved to laugh. But sometimes they laughed when they shouldn't, like when Tommy Turtle tripped over a rock or when Penny Penguin slipped on the ice. One sunny day, a wise old owl named Oliver visited the town. Oliver had a special power. He could see the hidden feelings of others. He noticed that when everyone laughed at Tommy and Penny, they felt really sad inside. So Oliver gathered all the townsfolk in the village square. "Listen up, everyone," he hooted. "Laughter is wonderful, but not when it hurts others. How would you feel if people laughed at you when you were upset or made a mistake?" The townsfolk, including the kids, thought about it and realized that it wasn't nice to laugh at others' misfortunes. They felt sorry and decided to change. From that day on, whenever someone had an oopsie, instead of laughing, everyone would offer a helping hand. They asked, "Are you okay? And how can I help?" Giggleville became not just the happiest, but also the kindest town you could ever imagine. And guess what? They still laughed a lot. But now, their laughter was from sharing funny jokes and making happy memories together. So, the magical lesson here, little friends, is that we should always think about how our actions make others feel. Let's spread kindness like confetti and make sure our laughter brings joy, not tears. Alright, that's the end of our story. Remember, a smile and a kind word can make a big difference in someone's day. Keep laughing and keep being kind. Bye-bye for now.